Good morning, my perfectly stacked flapjacks. How are all of you today? So, I'm going to do something for the first time today. I got a gift in the mail. I got another gift in the mail, another gift, and another gift. So, I wanted to share that with you. I'm going to be unboxing some products that you haven't seen and a very special gift from a very special viewer, Miss Linda Harding. I unequivocally, undeniably am totally grateful. We're going to start with her gift that she sent to me. I have to say that I have some of the best viewers in the world because they are just so thoughtful, and it just means so much to me. Anyway, Miss Linda sent me some shells, and I want to show you them because she decoupaged these shells and they are absolutely pristine and gorgeous. Look at that. Now, I don't know if anybody has decoupaged out there. I'm sure you have. But to get all the grooves like that and no air bubbles, that is really top quality decoupaging, girlfriend. Wow. And there's another one in here. Oh my God. Look how beautiful that is. I have you by my window so I have some daylight for once. That is so beautiful. I have the perfect spot for those two in my sea-themed bathroom. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And then she sent me a bag of shells. I really need to work on that ocean pour. Now I have some from Tina. Those are really pretty shells too. Look at that one right there. Wow. And then she made some little embellishments. How cute. We have some little starfish and turtles and fish. Let me just gather myself here. We have a little turtle. Isn't that darling? A mermaid tail. How cool is that? With pearls in it. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. Fantastic job, Linda. And I so appreciate it. My viewers mean everything to me. They really do. You guys have immensely changed my life in ways that I can never explain or thank you for. I just hope my videos somewhat do you justice. So anyway, she sent me a card too, but I'll keep that private. So the next package that I received was from Deborah at Resin Pigment Canada. She wants me to try out some of her color shift micas, and I'm going to do that for her. I'm going to show you the jar. Miss Mia wants to be in the video, I guess. Mia, get down. Come on, go. So they come in these cute little glass jars. This is a red. They're like interference colors. So you're going to be seeing those in an upcoming video. She has red. She has gold. We have here a violet. You can see it on the glass. Blue. And she also has a channel and a website, and I'll link it below But like I said, I am going to do a video for her also, and then a green. Okay? Let me remove this nuisance. Mia. Come here, Mia. Come here, Mia. I gotta be careful with her. She's bipolar. She's nice one minute and then attacks me the next. Come on, get down. Okay. So up next, I received a package from Archangel Art Studio, and they are making boards. Let me just grab a knife here. So their name is Billy and Gina, husband and wife, and they are in my art group. They're in a lot of art groups. Billy has his own channel, and Gina's doing videos now, but they were kind enough to send me one of their MDF boards that they're making along with a price list. Now I'm going to show you this quick, but I will be doing a future video with this also. I'm holding it in my hand and it's really good quality. So that's the back of it. There's the front. Nice sides. Edges are rounded. Very, very nice board. And as I said, they, oh, here we have the sizes they make also. So we have 12-inch, 16, 18 for the round, 12 by 12 and 16 by 16 for the square, 12 by 14 rectangle, which is what I got. Octagons they make, hexagons, awesome. So, yep, I'm going to do a future video of that, and wow, the prices are not bad at all, guys. Look at that. Not bad at all. So, yeah, I'm going to do a video with that. Thank you, Billy and Gina. Every time I say your guy's name, I'm a huge Bon Jovi fan. So when I hear Gina, I always think of Tommy used to work on the desk. Just thinking about how cute would it be if your name was Tommy and Gina. Oh, Mia. What an embarrassment. Okay, so last, but definitely not least, I saved this one to the end because this is the big one. Miss Leslie over at Colourarte, sponsor of my channel, sent me the remaining colors I needed to complete my set for, wow, I'm telling you, stubborn kitty, to complete the set of the new Galaxy Diamond colors. So I'm going to show you them, plus the ones I have, so you can see all 14 colors together. Let me get rid of this cat. So, where were we? Okay, there are 14 new colors. These are for resin. And I'm going to start with the Stardust. These colors are just truly, truly amazing. I may take you guys outside for this. Oh, no, maybe not. Does anybody want a cat? Oh. So that is Stardust. Leslie also has a channel, and I have all her information along with websites and all that in all of the descriptions of my videos. This is Morning Glory. And of course, I'm going to be using these in upcoming videos. But you can see the size of those particles, and they literally just melt into the resin. So it's Morning Glory. Maybe I should just show the bottom. You can see it pretty good. All the flakes on these are big like that. So it's Indian Spice. Tiger Eye. So this would be like your dark gold, and this would be like a bronze. We have lotus flower. Look at that color, huh? Absolutely gorgeous. Mountain mist. And now these are the ones that I already had. A few of them I have used. Wild coral. And a lot of these are almost like color shifts where, you know, it looks pink, but then you turn it and you see a nice violet or whatever the shade may be. We have amaryllis. These next two colors are out of the world, literally. Purple Galaxy. This one, you put it down and all you see is red and blue glitter sparkling through it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Andromeda. And Leslie actually did a video on these new colors where you can, she puts a flashlight on them. You have to watch that video if you're considering buying these colors because they are just truly magnificent. She just literally mixed them up and put them down on a surface so you can see what they look like. Celestial Sky. You know, Mia, you're making my camera focus weird. Pink Mink. What a fun name, huh? And then the Teal Magnolia I used in my last video. Did I show you guys? I think I showed you Andromeda. Pretty sure I did. But if I didn't, there's Andromeda. What cool names, huh? So, yep, she sent me those. And then some more Polypore for the primary elements. And 2 resin art colors that I didn't have, which I'm excited about. And those 2 are Clementine and Queen Stiletto. Right? Mia, can you say cut? Mia. Treat, treat? Eat, eat? No, I guess not. All right, guys. Well, that's my unboxing video. I decided to do it. I've never done one, and I see people doing them, so why not, right? Mia's... Let's make it stop doing that. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for putting up with this craziness, and I cannot wait to use my new things. So I'm going to grab one of Billy's boards and some of these new colors and get to it. I will see you in the future. Have a great day and happy pouring.